Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're fixing the battery booster charger, and what happened recently, as you can see right here, is my battery terminals, clamps, broke off, and I didn't know which was which. As you can see, I tied a knot here, and that's how I tell myself that it's the positive side. Do that with speakers as well, specifically in the car realm. So I know it's the positive side, and then you know the negative side. But how I found this out was, one, keeping these separate, plugging it in, and then checking it with a multimeter, which we'll do right now. We're gonna test out the voltage on the battery. So I got a battery booster here. Turn the power on there, and we'll flip it over to 20 volts. Range, negative to negative. There we go. So I figured this would be a better test. We get the terminals out. We got the battery over to our right. We'll put this in. You'll see it in real time that the battery is charged, a little overcharged. It looks like a 14.45. Now this is a garden battery, garden tractor battery. Not sure if it's supposed to be that way. Who knows? And there's one. There we go. 14.42. So we know that is double confirmed. So I'll turn the booster off. And as you can see here, it is about, I'd say 75% charged. It doesn't hold charge very well. I just charged it yesterday. It was at full. Now we're gonna plug in this car battery charger. And I'm not close enough. Just a second. So now we're gonna plug it in to the wall. Make sure we're not touching anything. So we have it wrapped around here, kind of carelessly. And another rule of thumb is the marked wire on this side of it is usually the positive side. So right here where you see the lettering. That's how you check in the speakers, and that's how it is overall. And as you can see, I've already tested this. So we have it set to the lowest setting, 2 amps charging. Now, I don't ever touch both leads at the same time. And you can see there that it is indeed charging. So at 10.8, so we know we have the positive side and the negative side. Now what happened with this recently, you've seen probably my other videos, is the terminals actually snapped off. Now I fixed this in the past by just crimping these, and I did it twice. Now I have to do it 3 times. So we're gonna be fixing that right now. And the best way to do this is, if you wanna open these up after you've broken them, you just get a flathead screwdriver and you just kind of push them open and get a pair of needle nose pliers, bend them out, and now the metal is fatigued, so I don't expect this to last. However, it's a good little fix until you actually have to replace these. At that point, you might want to solder them, weld them, so they don't break again, which eventually they will, because I use my battery charger way too often. As you can see here, you have to be very careful when you're prying the tabs up off of the terminal or the clamp itself. and that's because you don't want to stab yourself. Now, I've done this 100 times, so I am well aware of the stabbing that could possibly happen, and I do have enough skill level that I don't have to worry about it too much. Although I'm not saying it's not going to happen, it just eventually will happen again. Now, for the average Joe that doesn't do this on a regular basis, I do not recommend doing it this way. You'd be best to put it into a vise and then start prying the tabs up. Or just have somebody who's done it 1,000 times, and like myself, and it'd be no problem. So if you like this video, helps you out, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace!